When it comes to over instruction, that's what it means, that when somebody or your pupil is doing something nicely and you just intervene with too many other words, or start asking them or start telling them. And mainly when they are specific junction like this, bit more difficult things that they're dealing with, and stopping yourself, you just keep going on, and that's where you should stop yourself and tell yourself and tell the pupil as well that I'm going to leave you to deal with this, and then after it we will talk about it. And that's another thing the PDIs do in their test. We're going to go left at the roundabout. So when you give them, keep it in first gear. When PDIs are teaching people, what they do is they don't stop talking, and that's over instruction. Over instruction means that you're just going down with the verbal diarrhea all time and not stopping and not letting them think of their own driving, their own responsibilities, their own doings, what they did in the past. You give them time to think about it. And when it comes to you hand over the responsibilities, specifically you just keep an eye on MSPSL and MSM routine and overall observation of your pupil, but you don't intervene unless there is a safety aspect out there. Again, when you start, you should inform the pupil first with verbal and then physical intervention. That's the risk management is there, that was your verbal or physical intervention was timely and appropriate. Timely mean in a good time, in a clear time, and a few times to get the agreement from the pupil. Roundabout, we're going to go straight, a second exit. Okay, so that's what it is, guys. I hope that helps you to improve in your risk management side of it. Like I said in the previous video, the risk management, the examiner will pull you through 7, 8, and you will pass, because below 7 is just a straight fail, second gear. And this drive that we're having now is just a full talk through drive, and that's kind of your pupil. That's kind of the talk through drive is not going to help you in your part 3 test. Part 3 test means simply promption or bit of guidance. Hope that helps.